It's time for the Blizz Vlog, so sit down, watch the show. It's time for the family vlog with Blizz and Malico.
YouTube, what's up? Monday, the 29th of March. She thought she needed to be in that, eh? I just got off of work. It was a great day. I love work. There's nothing better than having to listen to a jackhammer for 7 hours in a day. Again, it was fun. Really. Not much is really going on today. I'm just planning on chilling with the wild Mallory, as you know her. Huh? Anyways, just chilling with the kid for a couple hours. Maybe get in some video footage later if anything funny's going on. I hope so. What are you doing, kid? Are you a dog? What? Playing Tetris? Here, now talk. Hey, go get it. Go get it. Good girl. Look at that, playing fetch just like a dog. That's Dad's phone. What? You're beautiful. Huh? Hey, you chewing on my phone? You chewing on my phone? Oh, you're talking on the phone. It's for you. Hi. What? But 18 times on the other side. Look at the... Shorty, I know you love me, and my stomach is growing. Come on, dance, make me feel so good. Cause I need some space with the bubbles on cheese. Like one night, and many cartoons, chicken and eggs, and not my bed. Everything it makes is been so good. What's the road, and always go fishing, I'm not even full. I'm starving, and I can't you see everybody sing with me. Hey YouTube, it's Tuesday! Yeah! What? Anyways, just got home. Well, I've been home for a little while. Took a shower and stuff because I didn't this morning. Feeling nasty. The picture's terrible right now. There's no lighting. We're gonna go find Mallory. Hey, what are you doing? Oh, look, just like Mom, going for Dad's wallet. Thank you. What are you doing, honey? Thank you, I know. Thank you. You don't need this, do you? Look at her stitches. They healing up? There we go. Come on, dude. My homies, Riptard and Bear Knight, wanted to play some sweet StarCraft last night, so I did. But it wasn't so much fun. We got romped on a couple games. Well, you know, one game actually we kept in there, but we lost, and they wanted me to get some good footage. There was a few good battles I should have just, you know, taped, but I didn't. Anyways, what? Hi. Yeah. What are you doing? You pulling my leg? Oh, jokes, 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 jokes. What are the cats doing? We just had a cat fight. Boots! Beat Mucus! Suck it! Wow! You're terrible! What? Woo! Yo, chums. It's Blizz here. Wednesday, you know, 31st of March. Tomorrow's the 1st. Tomorrow's also the day I'm heading to Butte. Just got off work and did a couple little things, and then cooking some burgers on my Foreman grill here. My lean, mean, fat reducing grilling machine. Always good for you, right? Just got darts tonight, and
Mal and Co were over with Mal's Co's parents, chilling over there. Just doing their thing. I'm like I said, cooking dinner. I got darts. So I think I'm gonna give Eb a bath tonight. She's gonna go to Butte with us tomorrow. So good morning. It's Saturday. It's actually afternoon. Just got done. Check this out. Did she
have a separate juice cup or something?
No, she uses the same milk cup. I'll go grab it. It needs to be washed out, but okay. Yeah, Mallory just got done finger painting her masterpiece for Grandpa and Grandma. We got our picture taken with the Easter Bunny yesterday. Here, let's see. Baby, 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 hi, what you doing? See, I'm getting ready for the Easter egg hunt, and I'm gonna go dye some Easter eggs, so the Easter Bunny can come see me tomorrow. Huh. Look, it's makeup time. The girls like to do it.
I swear to God, if that's where
It'll be on YouTube. Huh. That's Brienne. She likes YouTube. And Cole likes to shower with the sink. She likes to shower with the sink.
I'm washing my face.
Yep.
Why are you making
Wash
a
my
live
face.
broadcast?
I do it all the time. Ask Cole. I make videos. I mean, Carissa, whatever you want to call her. Yeah. I put videos on YouTube, babe. Yeah. And there's Baby and Grandpa. Huh. Grandpa, get you some juice? Peace. Baby? Are you washing your face with Mom and Brienne?
It's a girl thing.
Yeah, this is a girl time, apparently.
Yeah, and?
Cole has a happy face.
Like, give me a black eye.
Give her a black eye. Skanks. Nothing but skanks in here. That would go on YouTube, too. Hey, Mal. What are you doing? Peace. Look at all those hairs.
Oh, wow. Maybe because it's on a person's head.
Cole's only pierced twice on this side. Nice weather here in Butte. See that crap? We call that snow. There's Ebony. Yeah, it's definitely snowing outside.